Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, May 9th of 2019. Here are the morning announcements for today. We have a very exciting start of a new tradition here at Perry Elementary. So we have our very first Perry Art Show that is happening today from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the gym. So every student will have at least one piece of artwork on display. There'll be other activities happening during that time also, so please make sure that you come back and show your parents and family members the artwork that you do have on display, because I know that Mrs. Cascio worked very hard on getting this all set up for us to have a wonderful night here at Perry. For our May birthdays, so we have a happy birthday out to Emerus Maine, so her birthday is today, so have a wonderful birthday. And for our lunch choices today, we have chicken parmesan, barbecue rib sandwich, or fun on the run. And today we have our Paws brought to you by our first grade students.
Alright, it is time for our Paws, and we have some students here from first grade to help out with Paws for today.
Never hurt people. Never climb up slides. Never hurt anyone from the inside or outside.
Thank you very much, guys. Those are great examples.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys, and everyone have a wonderful day today. And remember, art show is tonight from 4 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the gym. So I hope to see you there. Have a wonderful day.